Here with me, I've got the brand new DCF809L2T. This is an impact driver that is ideal for fastening applications. The machine is featured with a 18-volt brushless motor. It's got a 6.35mm hex fitting with 3 LED lights that lights up dark areas. The machine comes with a 3 amp hour slim battery that is a brand new battery released by DEWALT. So let's take a look at what you get when you buy the machine. The machine comes with a T-stack case. Inside the box, you'll find two 3 amp hour lithium ion batteries, a multi-volt charger that can charge from 10.8 to 18-volt batteries, and the ultra compact lightweight DCF809. This machine has got 190 Newton meters of torque. That is why it's ideal to use impact ready bits. So let's take a look at the impact ready flex torque bit set that is featured in this video. That will be ideal to be used when using this machine.